Hello everyone. I hope you're having a great day, good day, great day. Today is Wednesday. Hey, we almost through the week. Um, my name is Ramira. For those who do not know me, aka Mira the Goddess. I'm 29 years old from Atlanta, Georgia. Stay at home mom of three wonderful boys, and I rob banks legally. And I'm here to teach you how. As well, today is not my my candlestick Bible review, so I won't be teaching you nothing today. I can, I guess, a little bit. But let's get to it. Um, so for my YouTubers who follow me, I try to post my Sunday market outlook, little overview thing, and I have music in the background because I want to play music, see if if that helped. But I couldn't download my video, and I didn't realize it until like Monday, and I didn't want to just review another. Make another one. So, like, because I didn't want to, cheat, or whatever. So, you have to just go follow my Facebook, Mira the Goddess 22, and you'll see Sundays. But I will just go over it. Today's Wednesday, see how the market did. Um, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with EU, because baby, okay, um, baby, she went up, and she's still going up. It looks like so overall on the weekly time frame, she is still bullish. This may be a possible retracement of this big old sale, but she may also still go some more. So our sale did not take place, but what's today? I forgot to drop my line. Hold on, stand by. Alright, that's fine. I think this is Monday. Okay. All right, so I did have a sale set up because on a daily time frame, I seen the tweezer tops meaning sell. Yeah, she did sell, but she did not sell the hell, guys. This was just a quick, small a retracement, basically, for the those 2 days. But I did catch a small buy coming up. I know I said I was gonna do a live trade for you guys, but that was just so fast, and I wish I would have helped it some more because let me go on a 4 hour time frame so you guys could be able to see. I wish I would have helped it. She did hit my CP, but I did have speculations that I did want her to feel this purple. I didn't know she was gonna feel that purple. Um, so I did get out, and she did feel the little purple box. She hit it. She did come down. Now, guys, let's talk about this before I get into anything else besides the market. So I was actually tapped in, right? But you have to make sure that you are knowing, like, what am I getting into the market? What is my daily pip goal? What is my weekly pip goal? Am I only going to be risking this one trade? You want to look at market structure. What is the market actually telling you? Is this a big old M that is forming, or is this just our market structure telling that lower highs and lower lows is being formed? Um, so so I did get tapped in, but I actually got out this trade um, as well. I got out in profit. That was a quick 40 pips. I didn't catch that wick. I think I got 40 pips and I got out. And because I did not like how on a lower time frame market structure was reading, At that time, she just kept forming a support here, kept going up. And I'm like, okay, I don't like this. Let me just get out. So I did get out. I do see a sale that's going to take place. I just don't know when, to be honest. So I want to talk about that before I raced. Well, not a race, at least just. Um, and look, guys, that was so ugly. That wasn't even like a 2-in-1 or nothing. Luckily, I have my sales stops because I would have been risking a lot, or I probably would have got taken out with this candle right here. So let me erase all of this nonsense. Okay, yeah, that was a teaser type sale. She did sell, but that's about it. Um, so far. So for our time frame, I do see a bearish engulfing. I also see rejection here at the 4 hour. I have a 4 hour, like a little support or resistance key level. Here, it's like either a bearish engulfing, or you can see another tweezer tops little formation. Sale, and I just want to get that purple because that was on my 4 hour time frame. And I like the color code my so that way I know, okay, what time frame is on what. Let me look at the daily right quick. All right, so let's talk about it. Not including this current candle right here because it's still forming, but I still see sales taking place. I do want to see it may needs to break down here before she actually wants to sell. She may be making an M pattern. I know we haven't talked about M's yet in the market. I really feel like that's what she may do. And then she probably will go up, or she may sell the hell or something. I would want to see what happens back here at this level. Um, but let me erase this right quick so you guys can be able to see. Let's just talk about price action. Let's talk about what's happening right here. This is the daily time frame. We have a bearish engulfing right here. Okay. This was basically a big old retest. Yes, she did come up with this wick right here. Well, my little cursor crosshairs keep going over it. But when she got up here, we have that major support and resistance level. At this point, she's a resistance level. She hit that, or almost hit that resistance level, and sellers actually pushed the price back down. Also, looking here, she hasn't actually closed above price the previous candles. So I'm thinking she may sell still. If she does still sell, this is a daily time frame, guys. So on a 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, you may be able to get a sell entry to just complete this information. But right now, I would like to see more price action and telling me exactly what is happening. 4 hour time frame, we have that bearish engulfing as well. Guys, we still have not, broken any structure yet. Um, so this may be just a retest to go down. If anything, I would want to, if was a fifth, and the market is going to do exactly what she wants to do. Um, I'm wondering if I should put a. Well, price is already going. I like my sell stops. That is a long candle. And just going to complete that in. Don't know if she's going to go all the way down here. But just to this, just for right here, this is a bullish harami. Just to that pattern. If she wants to go down some more, she can. Let's collect it. We can collect it. I don't say take this trade at this very moment. If you want to put your stop loss above that previous candle, just in case that may be a stop hunt, please definitely do so if you want to. But just make sure that you can be able to risk that. Yeah, I actually like that. So let's let her push up some. See what happens, and then let's see if she sells. Even if you want to just do from right here. So 1-1, you risking 57, make a little bit over 57. Or if you want to just do a 2-1, risking 57, 58 pips to make 123 pips. Definitely do so. Okay, all right, so that is my current analysis so far. Like I say, I don't go on the lower time frames, so if you want to go on lower time frames, because based off how I teach with the Candlestick Bible, we look at the daily and the 4 hour time frames, sometimes the weekly when we're doing our TDA. The lowest I will go is the 1 hour, because that is my trading plan. If I do see something quick, if I just want to collect something quick, hey, I'll go in. But that's not what I teach you guys. Once you become proficient, when you can do that, hey, by all means, my brother or sister, by all means. All right, so UJ, UJ. Let's put my line. Okay, so this one was very peculiar. I did say that I think at the time I said either I want her to break out, uh, do a retest and then go up, fill this little purple box here, or she could break out and sell, because I had two different scenarios that's taking place. So let's look over it, and then we're gonna go over it without this craziness. So we know she did not do this move. Goodbye. I still see overall that I want her to sell, but I need her to go up first. So if EU is going to be selling, then UJ will be buying. All right, but she's currently selling right now at this current moment. And what is EU doing? Currently buying at this moment. So she actually did make the head and shoulders pattern, and it looks like she's on her way down to this purple level. She has already closed this 4 hour void, or this 4 hour box here. And with that wick, it gave us a second entry. This is a bearish harami. Guys, we're on a 4 hour time frame. So with the higher the time frames, the stronger it will tell us. So that's just basically like a retracement. I feel like I feel like, because the market is gonna do what she wants to do, that she's gonna push down. I want her to see if we can fill this next purple box before going up. So yeah, we did take a quick. That was a quick 113 pips. It never went into our stop loss, guys. That was a risk-free trade. I love risk-free trades. Oh my gosh, it does something to me. Let me. That kind of sounded nasty. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. I gotta go back on Sunday to see um where it was. Okay. So I'm not touching this. If she goes down, I want her to go down, fill this purple void, and then I want Price to push down past our boss stop, and then we can ride her up and collect those pips. So let me just take this off right quick, and let's do a quick TDA to see what's going on. Now this is really interesting because on a weekly time frame, she does look like that head and shoulders pattern again, like we did see on the 4 hour time frame, right? As if she's like following herself. I still see that overall sale, but I don't see it happening just yet. I at least want her to clear this purple box. At least. She may hit this daily at my orange little line here in this daily support or resistance. In that case, it'll be a resistance. Or she may be just retracing from this actual move right here. And then she'll go down. But I just want her to go up right quick. And that'll be that 200 something pips. Boom, right there before the sell-off does happen. All right, let's take a look at price action though, right quick to see what we see. All right, so the last couple um, so we have a um, lower high, but then we have a higher low right here. We have a bullish engulfing that has taken place. So I want her to just come down a little bit more. Then we could get in for that buy. And then we could sell her off. Okay? So that's what I see. And let's just draw some arrows. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, 3 for good luck, okay? I apologize about that. She has came up. I want her to go down just a little bit more. We can get to this little purple line. And then she comes up. And then I want her to drop. That's what I want her to do. Let's see if she does it. This is a weekly time frame, guys. So it is going to take a while before that happen. Before that setup does happen and does take place. All right. Or if she's ready to go up right now and she just created a lower high, a higher low, then hey, she can do that. And if that's the case, then she didn't touch this yet, and this may have been the entry right here to go up. All right, let's see on hold on. Candlesticks, what are candlesticks telling us? Bearish engulfing. This is just the finish of this. Yeah. So with this candle here, we have that rejection of the buyers, push the market up. She could be just making a support right here. She hasn't really closed since these previous candles. So this may actually be, she may actually just want to go up instead of continue to go down. So we'll see what happens here. We got 2 hours before that candle closes. I'll wait to see what that candle closes. If she closes bullish, then we'll get in for the buy. So if that's the case, then we will have to just move this. I'll probably just move this right up here. All right. Put our stop loss a little bit below that wick. Take our TP. at least halfway to right here. That's a 2. So risking 89 pips to make 100 and almost 80 pips. Um, but we'll see how that candle actually closes. So we have either that entry or we have our original entry, which is right here. I really like this one better because our risk to reward is a little bit higher. And we probably won't be risking that much. My risk to reward. Yeah. I know it's a lot of craziness that's going on. And guys, follow me on Trading View. I've been getting some more people. I appreciate that. Also, also, this looks like a diamond pattern, which indicates reversal. Don't know if that's actually true or not. I'm gonna put alert right here just to see what happens. So if that's the case, then we'll put our buy stops. We can already set our buy stops. Let's see if we can. I just don't want us to get wicked in. Let's take this up a little bit. That's the actual to the line. Okay. All right. And let's see what other pair. So, Auto Talk US 30. I think I did on Saturday. I mean, it's been a long day for me. On Sunday. And guys, we were talking about in our candlestick Bible. I had posted a video. I think I did the video yesterday. And when I did my TDA, I'm like, oh, she is selling. She's about to sell because I was looking on a weekly time frame and I seen this candle and we were just talking about the inside bar candlestick pattern. And I'm like, I just love like when I teach or when I'm talking about something, and I'm gonna go because we about to wrap it up. But when we talk about it, it's actually happening live in the market, and it's just like, oh my gosh, that's so freaking cool. So I did see the setup. I'm like, oh, she about to sell. That's on a weekly time frame. We about to sell the rest of this week or maybe half of the week, and that's exactly what she did. Came yesterday. Um, that bearish engulfing was formed on a daily time frame. So if you missed the sale yesterday, that the close of it actually let us know. She came and retest. I was able to get in for the retest. But with my trading rules and my trading plan, I don't really like to trade US 30 while I'm out. So guess what I did, y'all? I got out. Guess how much she dropped? 300 points. Guess how much I collected? Not even half of it. So 0.01, that would have been $300 I would have been made just eating lunch with my RVP, y'all. It's alright though, because the market always comes back. And I have my alert set. Either she's gonna come back. I originally want this area. This is my golden area, and I really like this one. This has a bigger risk to reward. Reward. Oh, and I did catch the buy. Okay, hey, and then the sale came, and I did catch a little bit of sale. So I did walk out the house just broke, y'all. Okay. Um, what I'm about to say. I do see her. I want her to retrace. So I have two alerts, one right here, just in case she only just wants to go half a here and continue to go down, or if she wants to come back and fill this whole little sweet area again, and we sell off. So I do have alerts, just waiting to see where price is going to tell us what she's gonna do. Yeah. All right. These wild looking shitty as ever. Lower low has been formed. Still feel like that buy is still gonna take place though. She hasn't broke this 4 hour in quite some time. To be honest, unless she's ready to break it. If she breaks it, if she sell, that mean US30 will buy. Um, I mean UJ will buy, and then that mean EU will sell. But if she buys, we'll see sales on US30, and I can kind of see that. See sales on UJ, which I want, and EU will buy. I don't know where the hell she'll buy from. I know I have a 4 hour support resistance zone, so I'll probably take it right there. I have to do some more research to see where she wants to go. All right. I don't trade the other ones. Oh, and I think I had. Oh my gosh. I think we just did for shits and giggles. She tapped us in though, right here. We probably don't need to risk that much, but yeah. Let me just quickly go over to the Candlestick Bible, because I know with the last setup, I just wanted to see what happened, and I'm gonna let y'all go. Let me go back on. Oh yes, that's the one I got into. Oh yes, it was this one. So EU by. See, that's why I like doing my candlesticks, especially when I do my candlestick classes, because like we would have been up. It's like if it's a up or a sale, a up or a sale. The weekly without doing detailed candlesticks was a sale and faked us out. Remember, but then when we do the candlestick Bible class, that the candlesticks in the psychology be really telling us, y'all, really telling us you would have been up. So if, with that week, that was 77 points. Um, she probably will go up that 100. So that's what I have. That's my 2-1 risk reward ratio, and she has surpassed that previous high. So that was cool. USD CAD hasn't taken place for the sale just yet. I don't know why I have that. I was inside bar. Let's look on a weekly right quick. She's still trying to go up. This may be just a retest to get in for the sale though. Let's keep our eyes on that. All right, so I see you guys with another one. I hope you follow me, Mirror the Goddess 22. MARTHEGODESS. I know it's only one D. That's what I chose. And two number twos. I'm like this on all your social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, all that. You have a great day. Later. I'm out.